So today's video is very short for a soap video, which is kind of weird. And also there is going to be a lesson to be learned about rushing the soapy process throughout this video. But before we get into that, hello, I'm Mrs. Soap and Clay. Let's make stuff. How's it going, Sudsers? Welcome back to the channel. You are at Soap and Clay, where we make all the soapy things. And today we are making a rushed soapy thing with a themed soap for Minecraft. Now, I didn't have a lot of time to actually do this pour. I had like less than 20 minutes before I had to leave the shop, but I knew I needed to get this pour done. And so I banged through it as quick as possible. This is the Enderman Soap. So we had the creeper soap before for my nephew's birthday, and we thought it would be fun to do another Minecraft soap, and it was fun. And the whole thing is really weird because Endermen, they're weird too. They're very strange. You make eye contact with them and they'll kill you dead. But as long as you don't make eye contact, you're good to go. And this bar, the vision of it was to be like the face of the Enderman with like the purple eyes, and yeah. And you are about to find out whether or not that worked, and whether or not me rushing the soaping process was the reason why it did or did not work. Oh my god, look at this super teeny tiny short video. And those are the embeds. And the super teeny tiny short video is this is a cautionary tale. I didn't have a lot of time to make this soap, and as a result, it's a very short video, really. And why am I just looking at nothing right now? Just nothing. That's cool. Cool. Yeah, so lies going into the water, into the oils. The oil blend for this guy is basu, coconut, argan, olive, and canola at a 50-50 split of solid to liquid oils. And the black stuff there in the corner, that is activated charcoal, and boatloads of it mixed in the scent blend. And the scent blend for this guy is bubblegum, because that's super weird, and Endermans are super weird too, so it all works out. And yeah, so bubblegum is one of those things. I've never made a soap with it because it discolors. Like all bubblegums I've ever worked with, they discolor to brown, and that doesn't make a lot of sense to have a bubblegum soap that turns brown. So I just haven't done it. But this guy, it gets to be bubblegum, and that's cool because it's gonna be black anyway. Now I'm gonna do an in the pot swirl with this and get some mostly black, but also we're going to do grays and whites to sort of mimic like the super pixelation of Minecraft. Oh, because we're making an Enderman soap. Maybe I should have led with that. Did I lead with that? I don't know.
You did.
Oh, are you here?
Yeah.
Hi, what are you doing?
Just telling them to subscribe.
Oh, you're telling them to subscribe. So Scout is with us, the Soap and Clay Kid numbers 2. She walked in as I was doing the voiceover, and so she's watching the making of the Enderman soap.
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are. What do you think's going on here?
Well, my mom is mixing the stuff right now, as you can see. She has not put this video up yet.
Yeah, I am mixing it right now. That's true, and I haven't put it up yet. I have to do this before I can put it up. That's accurate as well. Now I'm making.
This has been a very short video.
Yeah, it's a super short video. There's not a ton that goes into this, but also I didn't have time to do the things that I needed to do. And so, see the pink things there on the right?
Yeah.
Those are for the Enderman eyes. How do you feel about those?
Those look very good for the Enderman.
Okay, cool. So they have like 3 different like I have 3 different chunks that are going to go on each side for the eyes, so like a total of 6 chunks. And I'm thinking I probably should have maybe made them their own individual bars that are sort of like long and rectangular to do, but I didn't do that. I didn't have time to do a secondary whatever really. And so I didn't. What do you think is going to happen because I was a little bit lazy with this thing?
I think it might turn out not how it's supposed to, but it might turn out very good.
Yeah.
So you'll see on the second,
yeah, you'll see that's right. You'll see in the cut part whether or not it turns out really good. And yeah, so it could go either way, honestly. When you don't have a lot of time to do things and you're getting kind of lazy with your prep, it really can go either way. Hey, Scout.
What?
I'm gonna swirl all this soap right now, and then while I'm pouring it, do you want to tell the awesome people what Endermen even are and why they're whatever?
Yeah.
Cool. So as soon as I swirl this, we're gonna go over to the pour, and you can tell us all about the Enderman. Okay?
You're gonna be quiet.
Yeah, I'll be quiet. Okay, so we are on to the pour. Do you like the way that looks in the pot there? Isn't that pretty, Addison?
Yeah.
Yeah? So come tell us about Endermen and what they do.
Well, Endermen, they can teleport, and when you're in survival and look them straight in the eyes in Minecraft, when you're in survival, they will chase after you and teleport and kill you.
Oh yeah, that's right, but only if you look them straight in the eye, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you gotta avoid them.
You have to avoid them, for sure. Now, they're kind of weird, right? They make weird sounds. Like they scream a lot.
Kind of like it.
Yeah, like that. I actually saw online that what they're saying is like hi or something, but it's weird and distorted and backwards. And so I've tried to listen for that, and I don't think they're saying hi backwards. How about you?
Well, they all actually saying hi backwards, but in a creepy way, like hi, like in a creepy way. So you think they're dangerous, but they'll only kill you if you look them in their eyes. I think they actually have a secret that they're hiding from.
Oh yeah?
Somewhere.
Okay, so how do you kill an Enderman?
Well, actually, that's pretty hard.
Yeah, is it pretty hard to kill an
You
Enderman?
literally have to trap them, but they'll just teleport away. You literally can't kill them. They're impossible to kill.
Are they really hard to kill?
Yeah.
Oh goodness, yeah. They sound really hard to kill. Like I said, they're really weird guys, and they look weird, and they like just randomly pick up blocks sometimes and just throw them and stuff. It's very strange. But this soap, it might be strange, but that's cool because the Endermen are also strange. Do you see what Mom is writing on the top there?
Yeah.
I'm just being funny, and I'm writing screaming banshees because they totally sound like screaming banshees to me. Now this soap is ready to get firmed up overnight, and then we're going to check out the cut.
Wait,
are you ready? Are you ready to check out the cut?
Yes.
Yeah, cool. Well, let's do that, and then you can tell me in the next part, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna go
Cool.
the cut.
Okay, we are on to the cut, and what do you think of that bar, Scout?
It's very pretty, but I gotta tell you something.
Tell me.
One of the Endermen mistaked me as a block and picked me up.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I've never seen that happen before.
It
That's
was
nutty.
weird. It literally carried me to its underground base. It was creepy.
That sounds pretty weird.
Creepy.
Yeah. Minecraft is awesome, right?
Yeah.
What do you think of that soap?
It's beautiful. Look at those eyes.
Do you like it?
Yeah, those are some scary eyes.
Okay. Hey, Aylin, you came in. What do you think of that soap?
It's really pretty.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the Enderman, it looks just like an Enderman, and Endermen have like purple and white particles floating around them. So the white in the Enderman is actually a good touch.
Oh, that's right. They do have purple and white particles floating around them. So that's a really cool touch. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. But the eyes, I think baby mommy needs to do a better job on the eyes next time, right?
Yeah.
And not be so lazy.
Yeah.
But you can totally tell it's an Enderman?
Yeah.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Did I tell you it smells like bubblegum?
Yeah. I heard.
Oh, you heard that? Cool. Yeah, it smells like bubblegum. Is that a good smell for the Enderman?
Yeah.
It's really weird, right? Look, eyes. If you hold it up to the light, you can see through those eyes too. I think that's kind of cool, don't you?
I think there's also Enderman in Roblox, I think.
Oh, wow, that's crazy. I haven't seen that. But I have seen the making of the Enderman Soap here. That is day 147. And I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. And that's the Enderman Soap. And yeah, I mean, like the bars themselves, when you hold them up to the light, you can totally see through the eyeballs. And so that's really cool. And so you get the cool purple coming through. But ultimately, I really should have just been patient and actually made the rectangular in two separate inside of the 6. I should have done that, and I didn't have time. And so I took the cheater's way out, and it kind of showed in the finished product, but it's still very, very cute. So, and it smells of bubblegum or cotton candy. Pretty sure it's bubblegum, which is weird for an activated charcoal soap, but also cool. So yeah, if you are interested in the Enderman soap, as the Soap and Clay Kidlet said, it totally looks like an Enderman. So it's kid approved, which is awesome. You can find those on the website at soapandclay.com. If you are interested in more soapy antics, fails, mistakes, successes, mishaps, whatever, you should subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome. You can come back every single day and be a part of this weirdness and see where I take us all next. And if you're interested in following me on social media, I'm there to do things: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And for me, I am done for the day. Thank you so much for being a part of another round of 365 Days of Soap. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.